a lampion for that garden.
The garden belongs to the witch and wizard. It is dangerous.
Please, I can just think about it.
Okay, calm down. I will get some for you in that night.
I will take only a little leaf quickly.
What are you doing in my garden? Tim, explain yourself at once.
Please forgive me. My wife wished for this lampion.
I will let you go on one condition. When your first child is born, that child will belong to me.
What? That's terrible.
Accept the deal or face the consequences.
I have no choice. I agree.
I have come for your child.
Please don't take her.
The bargain cannot be broken.
Please, we beg you. Please don't take her.
A promise is a promise. Come, child.
No, please don't take her. Please don't cry.
She will live in my tall tower and her name shall be Rapunzel.
Why must I stay here all alone?
Because I said so, and finish your chores immediately.
Yes, I will do everything.
Sweep the floor. Wash the dishes.
Yes, I will do everything.
Lacing my shoes at dawn, pavement beneath my feet. Cold air burns in my lungs, but I'm alive, I'm complete. Every stride takes me higher, leaving doubts in the dust. Sweat drips down like a river, this is more than just trust. Push through the pain, feel the fire ignite. Nothing's gonna hold me back, I'm taking flight tonight. Run with the thunder, break through the wall. Every heart beats a battle cry. I'm giving my all, faster and stronger. I won't hit the ground, this is my moment. Hear the victory sound. Fields of green stretch.
Where is it coming from? How can I reach the girl inside?
I think someone is great. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair.
So that's the secret. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Who is there? A friend. Not sure. Please, trust me. Okay. Hello, Rapunzel. I'll never meet anyone except the witch. You deserve freedom. Really? Yes, and I will help leave this tall tower. That will be wonderful. Promise? I promise. Thank you, Prince. Welcome.
You didn't finish your work. Finish your work immediately and stop daydreaming.
The prince never hit me like that.
The prince? The prince? You've been meeting someone?
Oops, I didn't mean that to say.
I am furious. You disobeyed me.
Sorry. Please don't do this.
You'll be sent far away from this tower to a lonely desert.
Rapunzel, are you there? Where is Rapunzel?
You'll never see her again.
Rapunzel, where are you? Rapunzel, where are you? That voice, it must be Rapunzel. Prince, is it really you? Rapunzel, I finally found you. Yes, I found you too. I'm so happy to see you. Me too. What happened to your eyes? Wait, I can see again. That's wonderful. We will never be separated again. Never.